The first eyelet row begins like all of your other right side rows with 5 stitches in 1 by 1 rib, starting with a knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Okay, then yarn over, knit 1. Then we begin the eyelets. That's with a yarn over, knit 2 together. And we repeat, yarn over, knit 2 together. Okay, so now all right, we're at the last yarn over, knit 2 together, slip the marker, yarn over, knit 1, slip the second marker, yarn over, knit 1, then knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over. Now we're 7 stitches before the end of the row. Work your last yarn over, knit 2 together, and then yarn over and work 5 stitches in knit 1, purl 1 rib. Okay, let's do the next side. On the wrong side, I've started with the first 5 stitches, then yarn over, purl 1, purl 2 together, yarn over, purl 2 together, yarn over. So when you purl 2 together, there's a stitch that's knitted from the other side and then a yarn over from the other side. Those are the 2 that we purl together. And then continue to the center of the row. At the middle of the wrong side row, yarn over, purl 2 together until you have 1 stitch left before the first marker. Purl that stitch, slip the marker, knit the center knit the center stitch, purl the next stitch, slip the marker. Okay. Now you'll yarn over, purl 2 together to the end of the row. At the end of the wrong side row, there are 7 stitches left here, so we'll do our last yarn over, purl 2 together, and then yarn over, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and purl 1. And then if you count all of your stitches, you should have 119, 58 on either side and 1 in the middle. And you can see the lace is turning out really nice here. To see our Electric Faerie Shawl Kit and all of our knitting and crochet kits for sale, be sure to visit kariskits.com. You can also sign up there for a 20% discount code, good on everything in our store, and it never expires. I'll see you next time when we work the lace pattern on the Electric Faerie Shawl. Bye for now.